Hi, I'm Gauri Devidyal, Director of Food Matters India Private Limited. Uh, as a restaurateur and employer and leader, I think this is definitely the most challenging time of my career. And I don't know how long this situation is going to last. So the only thing that really is in our control right now is for us to do our bit as restaurateurs in culling the spread of the virus. And honestly, there's only one way to do that, which is to 100% shut down our operations so that we keep people safely at home and hopefully uh, prevent the further spread of this virus, so that we can all get back to work as soon as possible. Beyond that, everything is completely unknown, and our employees and our vendors are our number one priority right now, and just making sure that they're taken care of.
Hi, this is Keenan from Pebble Hospitality. We have brands like Coco and Foo. Just want to talk to you about the situation currently. Obviously, everyone knows it's a very tough situation for everybody, particularly for the restaurant segment that I'll be speaking about. Obviously, we've been the first to get hit, and we're going to be definitely the last to recover. Most people haven't been coming to restaurants for a while now. I really hope once the situation gets better, people do start stepping out. And the main reason for this conversation is we hope the government will get involved in a bigger way. Globally, governments are doing a lot to support the industry. I hope the government comes into play in regards to tax breaks, deferred payments, and helps the restaurant industry stay afloat. There are many jobs to be saved at the moment, and I hope the public comes out, supports us, and look forward to a better future.
The effects of coronavirus has been definitely gradually building up over time. In January, we saw lots of reservations being cancelled due to cancelled travel plans, and also large group reservations were put on hold and or postponed for a later date. Even Asia's 50 West made a wise decision to cancel their event in Saga that is scheduled to happen in March. As winners of Melee Want to Watch, we were meant to attend it, and I think it was the best decision that they made, that to cancel the event altogether. Our immediate, of course, this as a global pandemic, announced as a global pandemic, it was bound to knock on our doors sooner or later. And as an immediate obligation to our staff and their safety, because they need to travel by local transport, it only made sense to shut doors. I hope when this storm is over, we can all rise together as a community and hopefully get back on our feet soon.
Guys, this is Anup Gandhi from Auriga Hospitality and Entertainment. This is a very unprecedented situation that our country or the world is going through. The financial situation right now doesn't seem the best. We would either be seeing low or zero maybe by the end of the time this gets over. We as an industry, the hospitality industry, who contributes the maximum employment around in India, would definitely need a lot of support to come back fitter and stronger, where we would require the government to step in and help us with a lot of deferred payments like income tax, VAT, GST, PF, as well as when we come back to make norms which are much easier for us to operate, and support system where we come back with easier labor laws to which is easier for us to operate. This situation is very uncalculated and difficult, which none of us had even expected or calculated for, and it's come like a surprise for world over. So it's the time when we would require someone to monitor and support us, and the government is the institution that needs to do that. I hope we can sail through this and come out fitter and stronger. Yes, and I hope wish us luck and the world around, Be safe and strong, everyone.